Hello everyone, my name's George, welcome to Swagger and Swoon. We're going to show you how to tie a self-tie bow. Now these have got a little bit of a reputation for being hard to do and they can be a little bit fiddly, but we'll break it down step by step and hopefully you'll be able to do it by the end of this video. So to start with, you want to select your outfit. So we've gone with a really nice gold paisley blazer and a really classic plain black satin bow tie. It's a really nice look, particularly for some of the occasion wear or party wear, particularly coming up to Christmas and New Year. So you want to start off by having your bow like so. Now they have all got, or most of them will have anyway, the adjustable straps in here. It can be a bit hit and miss as to what your neck strap should be in terms of its sizing, so you may need to try it just a couple of times to get that one perfect. But start with that one around the neck like this, and you want to offset them like this. Now, once you've got the right length, what you want to do is start with your short end going just over where your button is there, so where this shape starts wants to be where your button is, and then that's the other end there. If you have got one with an adjustable strap in like so, make sure that's your short end. You don't want to risk seeing it once you've tied your bow. So you then want to cross your long end over the front of the bow like so, before taking that back up and under to tie your bow there. You then want to pull the short end back across the front before folding back to get your nice bow tie shape. You can fold this one down and then you can pull your two wings forward like so. You should have a little loop created just at the back there. This is where you want to pop the fold of this one, so you can fold that one and get him through there. This is the fiddly bit, like so. This is where a little bit of adjustment's needed, so you can get the bow tie until you're happy with it. Like so. Now remember, self-tie bows are obviously designed to be symmetrical, but because they're tied yourself, there will always be some sort of asymmetricality to it. Now that's really nice because it's unique to you and unique to the sort of the bow you tied that day. So embrace that. They're not going to look perfect either side, but you can keep adjusting as much or as little as you want until you're happy with that one. And there you have your self-tie bow tie.